Okay, welcome to our store. If you want to buy top quality car DVD player, we are your best choice. Okay, let's have a look. First, look at about the panel. Yes, there are also two card slots. One is for GPS card slot here, and the other is for SD card music card slot here. Okay, so let's look at the radio first. First, we have to search it. Search the channel. Okay, so we got the reception, right? Radio reception. Let's go back to menu and introduce the functions one by one. First, let's have a look at the radio, the navigation. It is for GPS map. So we have to insert a GPS card map here. Okay, so we have to find the GPS map path first, then go into the GPS functions directly. Okay, find address. Russian. There are more than 14 European countries map included here. It is 49. Almost include all European countries icon map. Okay, let's find about like Spain. Yes, it also has. Also like France, Finland. So okay, this is our map function. Let's go back. And this is for radio. This is for radio function. You can enjoy this radio functions while driving. And this is for DVD disc. Remember, when you want to use the DVD disc play, you have to remove the two screws on the top of car DVD here. Okay, you have to remove them before you use DVD disc function. Remember. Okay, let's insert the DVD disc. It is reading. Just wait a second. Okay.
我的家乡在一个美丽的海滨城市南州。我和丈夫张海是刑警学院的同学。毕业后，我们组成了幸福的家庭，有了一个美丽聪明的女儿文文。我们和这个城市中千千万万的警察一样，肩负着打击犯罪、保卫国家和人民的生命、财产安全的神圣使命。 这些年的改革开放。
Okay, let's have a look at the. So this is DVD functions, right? Where to inject it? This is for inject the DVD disc out. Okay, and there's also two USB function at the back of our car DVD. There's also two USB ports. One is for 3G internet. The other is for music play, USB. Okay, and this is for SD card play. So when you want to listen to music, you can download the song list on an SD card and insert it into SD card slot. Then it will play. Also, you can choose the songs list here.
我想起分离时。
Make a call or receive the calls right now through the card DVD. Let's take an example. So we are calling and turn up the voice to hear better. Okay, this is function, Bluetooth function, right? Also, in the Bluetooth function, you can use the Bluetooth music functions. Bluetooth music. As long as your mobile connected successfully, you can play the mobile music through our DVD. You see, you can play our mobile music directly on our card DVD. It is much more convenient instead of the music SD card, right? Okay. The final setup, the setup functions. Let's have a look. In the setup, you can do a lot of changes you want for our card DVD. First, wallpaper, and wallpaper you can set up any picture you want, and car logo, boot logo, the starting logo. You can also choose. You can set up the logo here, input the code 8888 to enter. So there's so many logos here for you to choose, like VW, Seat, BMW, Audi. So choose any logo you want here. And this is for command change, like separation to adjust the panel, restore the factory settings. Okay. And this is for display. Display can adjust to your card DVD brightness. And this is for steering wheel control. It is also very important because everybody can use it. All of our card DVD has these functions. As long as we install our card DVD, it can press like volume up, volume down, all the steering wheel control functions. Video. And this is for Bluetooth setup. Okay. Also, one more important thing, you can adjust the languages here. Basically, we have 8 languages fixed. But if you want to add more languages here, you can set up in our factory settings, where we found factory settings, about device. Remember, about device, factory settings, and input the code 3711 to enter. And then choose English for better reading, and choose the English language, because you see the 8 languages fixed, and on the left side there's so many languages here. So you can choose any one you like: Japanese, Polish, Hebrew, Arabic, Italian, also Romania, Danish. So you choose it. Let's take an example how to add Polish double press. Then if you want to choose Polish on the menu languages, choose it. So choose the Polish on the first one, then save it. The language changes successfully. Remember, you have, after you change the languages, you have to cut off the DVD power and restart again. Then the card DVD language was changed successfully. Okay, remember to do that. Okay, let's adjust the back English. Save it. Okay, good. And let's look at other functions. And this is for 3G internet. This is for car information. This is for car clock. You can set up the clock here. And this is also for surrender. You see? So that's all.